physical trauma, where we're not just talking about broken bones and cuts. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. If you're interested in learning more about mental, emotional, and physical health, we all experience these challenges in life, and Family 26 is here to help you navigate them. My name is Brandon, and you might be surprised to learn that trauma isn't just about big dramatic events like accidents or injuries. It can also be the result of everyday things like chronic stress, anxiety, or even repetitive strains. Today we're diving deeper into physical trauma. We'll explore how any physical experience, big or small, can leave a lasting mark on your mind and emotions. Did you ever know your mind and body are constantly communicating? When we experience physical trauma, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. This releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which are great for short-term situations like dodging a car. But over time, these hormones can wreak havoc. This can lead to a cascade of effects, including increased anxiety and fear, difficulty sleeping, trouble concentrating, fatigue, pain even in areas unrelated to the injuries. Here's the thing. Physical pain doesn't exist in a vacuum. When you're constantly hurting, it can be hard to sleep, focus, and feel motivated. This can lead to feelings of frustration, sadness, and even depression. Plus, physical limitations can impact your self-esteem and social life. It's a domino effect. The physical affects the emotional, and the emotional can worsen the physical. We often think of trauma as a single dramatic event, but the truth is, chronic stress can be just as damaging. Whether it's a demanding job, financial strain, or even a long commute, these everyday stressors can wear down your body and mind over time. The constant fight or flight response keeps your muscles tense and your immune system compromised, leading to the same negative consequences as physical trauma. So what can you do? The good news is you're not powerless. Here's a simple tool to get you started: mindful breathing. When you feel stressed or overwhelmed, take a few minutes to focus on your breathing pattern. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 2, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this for a few minutes. This technique calms your nerve system and helps break the cycle of stress and tension. Mindful breathing is just one tool in your toolbox. If you're struggling with physical trauma and its impact on your well-being, you're not alone. Family 26 is there to support you. In the comments below, share your experience and what tools work best for you. Let's build a supportive community together where we can learn from each other. Thanks for joining us today on Family 26. Remember, taking care of yourself is important. By understanding the connection between physical and mental health, you can take steps to feel better overall. Until next time, take care of yourself and those you love.